All right, what's good, YouTube? We back at it with another video here today, picking up my Dodge Charger 2018 Charger Pursuit 5.7 liter V8. Looking at this car off rip, man, the body is in pretty good condition. There are some scratches here and there, you know, that's to be expected. But once we get done with this project, man, this is a perfect build right here. Once we get done with this Charger, that's one thing I love about Dodge, the Chargers, the Challengers, you name it. The parts are very, like, they're interchangeable. I was planning on driving this vehicle out of here today. They gave me the keys, told me, you know, it cranks up, everything should be straight, it's running. This vehicle has been sitting for a few months. The front driver's side tire is flat. It didn't crank off the rip, but we're gonna see if we can boost it off and get something going here and at least be able to drive it off of the lot here down in Columbia, South Carolina. I will say that I only paid $2,600 for this car, 2018 Dodge Charger Pursuit. My cousin checked out the fluid levels, the oil, whatnot, and to make sure that we would be able to drive it if we can figure out this tire situation and get it started. That is the headlight right there from the passenger side. There is a tire in the trunk, the spare, but it's not looking too good either, man. The bumper is inside the car. This light right here is so ugly, man. The dome light, they put these in the Pursuit models for officers to be able to write tickets or whatnot. Let's take a look under the hood. Everything is looking as to be expected so far. When you purchase a vehicle from a state agency like the Highway Patrol, you know for the most part it's been maintained. It sounds like it wants to turn over, it's just not quite there yet.
It's close. It's broken all down here, and then it's cracked the hill right here. All that water staining in there. Yeah, this one's done. I see why it's in the back seat.
That Hemi is ticking its life away right now. As far as the tire situation, even the spare, man, is no good. You all see this big spot right here. I pulled up a little bit and the guard started to fall down. At this point, I'm going to do my best to make it to the gas station. There is a gas station right across the street. Okay, that was rough, driving on basically 1 PSI, but we did make it to the gas station. The tire is holding air. That is another win. We were able to get the car started, able to get air in the tire, and now you see I am on the highway with it, man. My plan today was to not have this car towed if possible. If I was able to drive it, I wanted to drive it. That was just my mindset going into it. So I stuck with the game plan. The original game plan was, hey, I'm driving this car unless it's absolutely not able to be driven, and I'm glad that my cousin was able to help me out this morning. Shout out to Grant. This is definitely going to be a dope build. Okay, we made it back to the car wash. This was my goal right here, to make it to the car wash, give it a quick wash so we can see what we're working with. After driving the car some, that Hemi tick does seem to sound a little bit better. That's still going to be something that we have to address though. Man, there's so much room in this car for me coming from a Mustang. I'm used to my Mustang. This car right here though has the Chargers. They have so much room inside compared to a Mustang. And I'm 6'4", so I definitely appreciate the leg room. You all see there is some bleaching on the seats. Just thought I would show that on the video.
This was a really good buy. I'm pretty satisfied with this, you know, with where we're starting from. This is a really good foundation. A really good place to start.
I had to take the car for a ride down some of the back roads. It drives smooth, and this is only day one, so I know after we finish this build that it's going to be so much better. If you all see my camera bouncing around a lot, just know that South Carolina roads, there's potholes everywhere. I'm just gonna blame it on that. Don't blame the car, man. The roads are just horrible in Carolina. I love the way the dash look, and overall, I'm very excited for this project. You all see we are trying to get this ugly dome light removed. The interior looks nice on the headboard, but yeah, I hope you all did enjoy. I'm gonna document the whole process here on my channel. I'm out, family. Peace.